Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the step-by-step strategy that I've used to quit my 9-to-5 to start making hundreds of dollars every single day from day trading stocks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that. This is an honest strategy that I've used over the past 7 years of trading. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Smash that like button. Subscribe for all things trading. And if you guys want to elevate your trading, check out our trading school. It's fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we help you build a strategy. We help you find opportunity. It's not alerts. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not anything like that. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 20% off by using code LEARN. So invest in yourself. I'll see you guys in there. And we do have a sponsor for today's video, which is Moomoo, and I've used them for years, so check it out. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Like I said, Moomoo is an absolute fantastic broker. It's actually going to be the broker that we're using. So if you guys want to sign up and elevate your trading again, I'll put a link to it down below. All right, let's jump into this. So when it comes to day trading, there's a variety of different ways to make money from day trading, right? A lot of traders love momentum trading, which is, using those scanners, finding opportunity in the market, and having to be actively very, very involved with the market. And any day trading setup and strategy, you got to be involved. I hate to break it to you, but day trading is one of those things where you really got to be paying attention to the market and at least have your scanners up, have some alerts set. It'll help you, just in the long run. Now, for me, I don't really momentum trade. I'm more of where I have a set list of stock, right? I have about 5 stocks that I want to just become a master of, and it's Tesla, Apple, SPY, which is an ETF, QQQ, and NVIDIA. All of those stocks and ETFs, I'm trying to become a master of them so I can trade off them. And yes, some of them trade heavily off of news, which is not a big deal as long as we're paying attention to that. But, the trade that we took today was on Tesla. So let's break it down. The first thing I always do is I'm going to look at least the hourly time frame and kind of see what's going on. Just by looking at it, we can see that it's kind of seen some good sell-off from 360 to 273, and it's now been rebounding here, pretty quick. In the past, 2 days alone, if we go ahead and draw this out, this thing's up about 18%. So that's a pretty good move, right? So now here, we're slowly seeing that recovery from that sell-off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a lower time frame like that 5-minute chart. So during the market day, what I really try to find is trends. Trends are so incredibly important for traders. So I'm looking at this here, and when I'm looking at it, I'm watching it do this, right? And I go, okay, it does look like we could see a trend line in this direction. So the first thing I do is I want to go and I do the extended line tool, which what this will do is it will draw a line pretty much forever in both directions for possible supports, right? So now as the market continues, we see this, okay, which hits that trend line, which is a support line, and it's also on that 90-day moving average line. So I go, okay, this could be a trade. Let's look at the RSI. At the time, the RSI was trading for about a 41. Now, with trading, it's important to look back at previous history. So the last time it was trading for that was back in here where we saw a good move. So I go, okay, now it might be showtime here. Let's look at another indicator. I'm looking at the MACD here, and I see this, right? I see that crossover, which is in here. So technically, we could see more selling pressure, right? So I draw this out, draw that little trend line out, and I go, okay, if we can get a push above that trend, that is a trend line reversal. We're also going to go to that 1-minute time frame and see what's going on there, right? So we see it approaching, right, that 316 area. Okay, very similar on that trend line, but the MACD for this is a little different because of the 1 minute time frame, not the 5 minute, right? As you guys can see right in here. So now I go, okay, it's on the trend line. We have that good move. Let's draw out this here. If it breaks above this, we'll have that move because I can enter there, go ahead and keep my stop loss below the trend for a possible push up to the target, which would be that resistance, which is about a 4-to-1 risk and reward. So now as we go back to that 5-minute chart here, we can see it pops up and it starts a new trend. You can see where we have a low or a higher low starts a new trend. So we do the same thing. We get our extended line tool and we draw this out. So we want to go ahead and wait for that to cross below it. But given that this is a day trade, it's important to know that we have to sell this stock before the market closes. So we did have this MACD crossover where we had that signal break down into the seller, pretty much like a sell zone right in here. So that's where we covered profit. Okay. Excellent day trade, basic technical analysis, finding a trend, finding support, using indicators, and obviously now it's pretty much, it went up a little bit after hours and we don't even really pay attention to that. But in general, day trading, a lot of people love to think that you got to have these expensive scanners, and it's important, yeah, but if you can find stocks with high volume and you can become a master of their technicals, you can day trade off them as well. A lot of people think that in order to get rich off of day trading, you got to turn $100 into $1,000, when in reality, if you want to be successful, your goal should be 3% per month. There's a statistic that says that if you guys can make that 3% per month, you're in the top 5% of all traders in the entire world. So yes, you're doing just fine. Even with a small account of $100 and you turn it into $103 in a month, you're better than most people, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. We're continuing to add stuff in it. We're going to go ahead and we're revamping it actually this summer, which is so incredibly exciting. We already started filming more videos for it, and we're adding a full new day trading series to it. So check it out down below. Sign up with Mumu, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.